We're pretty lucky because our students come in already engaged in sustainability. This is part of the curriculum in high schools now, so they already have sustainability kind of in their minds when they get here. Our focus is on the energy side of sustainability and talking about the social requirements that we have to have of energy resources, the physical limitations of them, the economic limitations.
We do talk and encourage our students to think about sustainability in a broader context. Food, feed, fuel, fiber, those are all things that can be produced from renewable sources. In fact, we grow crops on campus addressing each of those different outcomes. In addition to that, we teach a capstone course. Its focus is on renewable energy. We bring in a client from the community and our students work with that person as they develop renewable energy systems. They do an assessment of the resource, they look at their energy use.
Working with contractors to install solar PV equipment and micro hydroelectricity systems in the community, I think there's a lot of opportunity for growth in that area, and to us that's a good thing.